going on?
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Central Harnett County in central North Carolina, West Central Johnston County in central North Carolina, Western Wake County in central North Carolina until 3:15 p.m. At 12:08 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Wilmington, Garner, Yuki, Varina, Angier, RVU International, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Irwin, Coates, Lake Wheeler, Lake Benson, Duncan, New Hill, Shirley Harris Reservoir, Bowie's Creek, and Raven Rock State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flood advisory in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of central North Carolina, including the following counties: Cumberland and Sampson.